Hey, welcome back. Today we're doing a Salsa Verde pig feet in the sous vide bath. Let's get this done. Okay, I got my pig feet that I've rinsed off, and we got our tomatillo sauce, which is jalapeno tomatillo. It's called a tomatillo Salsa Verde. We're gonna add these together and we're gonna put them in our sous vide and let them cook roughly 22 hours. I've done this with just the pig feet. Turned out awesome, so I'm gonna give this a try with the tomatillo, give it a little Mexican twist there. I was told that it probably would pair up very well, so let's find that out. We're gonna put these in the bag together and get this game started. All right, so we'll take our bag, add in our pig feet, and that one in there. Let's add a little bit of Salsa Verde on top of that. Add some more. Some more Salsa Verde. Set that aside. Give this a little mush together. Now, I'm gonna add a couple more things to this. Get this out the way. I'm gonna add some of this amazing Cajun from Heaven Made Products to this. Add a little heat, although the Salsa Verde has plenty of heat to it, but this is going to add some flavor, and I like it. And I love all my products from Heaven Made, so you know, let's add some of this to that. Kick it up. And of course, I always add me a little bit of accent to everything. A little flavor booster. You know, the story. Love my stuff. Not for everybody, but you know, hey, it's one of the things I love to use it. Alright. Get everything a good mix. Toss around, make sure everything's fairly coated. Got a little bit of the seasoning in there. Let's seal it up. Got the old machine here. Get it involved here. Let's try not to push it off and break it up, because then we have to buy another one. Spare you the noise here. Alright, look like we got a pretty decent amount of the air sucked out. Feels nice and tight. And we're sealed. Looks good. Alright, we'll wait for the sous vide to come to temperature, and then we'll add this to it. Everything looks like it's mixed up pretty good there. Alrighty. Now it's about the waiting game. Alright, everything has come up to temp. I'm going to drop it in. Get it situated in here. Put the lid on. And we're going to let it roll. See you in 22 hours. All right. 17 minutes left. Get ready to pull these out. Alright. We took it out of the sous vide machine. Crack her open. See what we got here. Toss this way. Put this up. They're looking good. I think this will go good over some rice. I think we'll fix up some. But for now, let's give them a taste. Not a real strong flavor. Could have easily had some more salt to this. I thought it might have been a little salty with all that I added, but it actually didn't. And the tomatillo flavor is light, but gives it a kind of a unique flavor. You know, kind of gravy-like, but yet, Can't put my finger on it. Outside, it's really good. I can see it's going over some peas, some rice. It'd be absolutely delicious. When I decided to do some rice or some peas to put this over, I'll be sure to bring this back to you. But until then, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend about me, and enjoy.